Welcome to our life in the Philippines. We are just going to give you a short little update here from our home in the Philippines. We have talked about that we are going to do a little trip and taking off probably tomorrow. And we're going to go and do some vlogging and a few other things. And the story is, my wife has been asking to go to the beach for a while, right?
Yeah, I want beach.
You want beach?
Yeah, I want beach.
She's a beach girl. She grew up in
The island.
the island in Samar,
Yes,
the island of Daram
Daram.
in Barangay Bacau. Bacau. So we are going to take this little trip and head out tomorrow, probably do some vlogging, and we're going to take this little trip that we have done a little bit before. And this is a little footage from one of our previous tips. Not tips.
Rides.
What do I say? Tips.
No,
Trips.
Trips. Or
Forgot the R there. That's the
Are
funny.
you tipsy?
No, I'm not tipsy. My gout prohibits me from being tipsy.
Yeah, I said I love to drink.
Yeah, so that's a good thing. So we're going to take this little ride tomorrow. Be a ride over the mountains around Mount Samat.
Yeah, Mount Samat.
And we're going to head that way and try to have as much fun as we can. We're going to do a little bit of vlogging. We are going to stop in the beach of Morong, and then we'll see where it takes us from there. And that's the fun part. This is a previous tip. Again, tip. Why am I saying tip?
Trip.
Trip.
Are you tipsy? May gulay ka.
No, I'm not. But anyway, in this little video here, actually, you will see straight ahead of us is the Mount Samat, actually, in that video.
Yeah,
So
going to Mount Samat.
yeah, we went up there a little while back, and it's kind of an interesting trip that we did. A lot of history, and that's one of the things I love. Besides that, the viewpoints up there are phenomenal. Overlooking Limay and Balanga and all over that area where the Second World War and one of the final battles took place. So that's an interesting part.
Yeah.
And this is from one of our previous trips.
Last year.
Last year, we went to Mariveles, and that was also an interesting trip because we went around in Mariveles, and then we came out on
the mountain, top of the mountain.
Over the mountain, and the roads were terrible because they had tore them up.
Yeah, maybe now it's nice now.
Yeah, it probably is.
Maybe we can check that one too.
Yeah, we might go by there again. We did some vlogging up there, and we had a lot of fun. And one of the other places we are going to visit is Morong. We have some friends down there, and we're going to go and see them and see the beaches of Morong, and that's where my wife gets the answer to her prayer, to see the beach.
Yeah, it's really nice over there.
Yeah. Morong has developed quite a bit over the last 5 years. When we started going there, there was quite a few lots and other things for sale.
Yeah.
And right now there is literally nothing that is available to buy and build and explore.
Yeah.
It's all sold out. But this place here that we are visiting, they just about to finish up the resort, and we're going to go and take a look at it. It's a private place, and I think they're planning on just keep it private and possibly have some Airbnb. If you have an interest to stay up there,
You can visit that resort.
right? Yeah, you can visit them, but don't know if they are done with the whole project yet.
Yeah.
But we'll figure that out once we get down there. It
We
is
will, we will
about,
give you an update.
yeah. How long ago were we there? That was like
When we what's the last time we go there?
yeah, probably 3 months ago, right? Quite a long time ago.
Yeah, quite a long time.
But now we're gonna go down there and try to hang out a little bit. So it's gonna be fun to see that. And that's the place right there. And it's beautiful beaches in Morong, guys. Have you not been down there? I actually met a foreigner yesterday, and he was not even aware of Morong. So I told him, you know, that's one place you got to go. That's the new Boracay there,
Yeah.
and it's going to be fun to go there and visit.
Yeah. Just bring your family and enjoy over there.
Yeah. There's a lot of Filipinos going there. A lot of the resorts are actually priced right.
Yeah. If you don't stay in the hotel, there's a cheap what they call it, like kobo, like that. The one on
Oh yeah, they have alternatives
Yeah,
down there,
alternative.
and there's several of the resorts that has
that on your budget.
budget rooms and other things for Filipino families, and
Yeah.
that's interesting. We have been doing this now, YouTube blogging for
1 year.
yes, a
One
little
and a
bit
half?
more year,
One
more
and a
than that, 1.5, and
We still enjoy.
we still enjoy it. We're still having fun.
Yeah.
That's the thing about blogging. You do it because of fun. You don't do
Yeah.
it because of the money.
No.
Because you
As
won't.
long as you enjoy vlogging, it's good.
That's true, and you won't become very rich
Yeah.
doing blogging.
We want to give joy to our viewers. Tips also.
Tips,
For the expat.
tips of
How we live, how we
live,
yeah, how we do budget.
how to handle a
Yeah.
life here in the Philippines.
Yes, correct.
And look at those carabaos there in that video. Those are big animals, and they're kind of a water buffalo.
Yeah.
All right, back to social media. We have, over this last year and a half that we've been doing this, built up quite a good follower base on Facebook as well. And we want to give you the opportunity to find us there at Our Life in the Philippines. Basically, you can put in the URL, facebook.com/Our Life in the Philippines. Even so, with Pinterest and Instagram, do the same thing. And you can follow us there as well. And we will try to improve our channel. And we grow as our subscriber base grows. And we have today about, how many followers on Facebook?
I
About
think we have
7,000,
yeah.
something like that. 6,800 maybe. Something like that. And you're welcome to follow us there on Instagram and Pinterest. And we're gonna try to do our best and supply good material, good advice, and good things. That's another thing we want to try to do, and that's engage our viewers. And we are open to do videos by request. If you live in a different country, if you're a foreign Filipino overseas worker, and you would like to see something around here in Andoer and the surroundings, don't hesitate to contact us. You have down in the description, you have every opportunity to contact us, and we will try to do our best to supply you with your request. All right, and while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share our videos, and give us a like or a thumbs up or a thumbs down. When you give us a thumbs down, just if you wouldn't mind, just let us know in the comment section what the thumbs down or what caused you to give us a thumbs down. Sometimes that would be something that is interesting to know for us. That way we can improve ourselves and provide you with content that is relevant. So with this little update, we do want to thank our subscribers, because without you, we are nothing. So it has been a great year, and we are going to try to put out the best we can, more and more, and do things for you. So don't hesitate, get in touch, and thank you for watching, and we'll be back from our trip that we are taking starting tomorrow. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.